Hey y'all, hey y'all. This is DJ the Diva coming at you with another video. This is another cooking segment, and I just want to show you some really quick and easy things to make for your family that won't break the bank and won't break your time, because we all striving in 2020 for that me time. So let me see, show you guys my progress. I lost another 4 pounds over the weekend. Bloated, but yeah, I lost. Okay, today I'm making sliders, roast beef and turkey sliders. So what I did first is, you see my buns? Those are those Hawaiian sweet rolls. And I just cut with my knife the buns in half. I melted some butter, and I put a little bit of garlic powder in there, and I took my little my brush, and I brushed over the top of all the buns with a little butter and garlic. I sprayed my pan, and then I mixed up a sauce, my own sauce that my family likes, and that's that Carolina Gold barbecue sauce and Duke's mayonnaise to make a sauce. And I slathered it all over the bottom of the buns, which are in the pan. And then I added my caramelized onions. And then I added white American cheese, my roast beef, and then some smoked cheddar. And luckily I found that smoked cheddar at Aldi's. Really, really nice smoked, and this is what it looks like. And I believe I paid about $2.99 for the package. And I think 10 slices come in that. Okay, so I put my roast beef down that I got at Giant Eagle, and it's not on sale right now. It's like $11.99 a pound. And then the the sauce, the caramelized onions that I just caramelized, the white American, the roast beef, the cheddar, and now I'm going in with, and I don't, with my sliced turkey, I do not like those pre-packaged deli meats, because you don't know how long it's been in the package, what preservatives they use. I like it sliced fresh. So that is what I am doing. I also have some baked beans cooking, because we're going to have these sliders, the baked beans, and some chips for our dinner tonight. So yeah, that is what is for dinner. Let me see. So I got 2 cheeses, 2 meats, caramelized onions, and my sauce. And I'm getting ready to put a little bit more sauce on top of these buns before I lay them down. See, they're pre-buttered with the garlic. This is what that sauce looks like that I made. Like I said, it's the Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. And I'm just smearing generously the top buns with that sauce. Just gonna lay it down. My family loves this sauce. And I'm a sauce girl, so what I've been trying to do is come up with different sauces and salad dressings and stuff to flavor my food. I have to make a little bit more. So, Dukes. There's just a little bit in here, so I'll just use that. And Carolina Gold. And I always get the, this is Cattleman's Carolina Tangy Gold barbecue sauce. I always get the big because we go through it. I cook with it. So that way it'll last, and I'm not constantly getting those small containers every few minutes. Mix that up real good. I'll put a little bit more here. See? So it covers every inch. Every inch you get that taste there. See that? Place it down here. This little piece here that's left. And I always try to work as quick as I can, but it doesn't take but a second to make this meal here. There's a little piece of the bun that fell off. Alright, let's place that in there. That's good, that's good. Alright, let's get that rinsed out. And when I set this up, you guys, I'm going to set it up like a bar. So I'm going to have lettuce and tomatoes, maybe some, a little bit more onion for those who really like it, and some banana peppers, different sauces. I might have regular barbecue sauce and like a ranch style sauce, and maybe even a blue cheese. So, but I want to show you how that looks. 2 cheeses, 2 meats, the sauce, and the caramelized onions. My oven is set at 350, and I'm going to go ahead and slide that in. And I'm going to get me some more butter with the garlic in it, so I can brush as it gets nearing to finish, so it'll be buttery, ooey gooey. Like I said, I'm making my baked beans. I put a little bit of salsa, butter, a little bit of brown sugar in my beans. I don't keep all the sauce that comes with the baked bean comes in. I don't keep all the juice, so because I use the butter and stuff, and it creates juice. So we don't want bean soup. But yeah, you guys, that is what's for dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Easy peasy. It will feed all my boys. They will be so happy, thrilled. Pull apart sandwiches. I'm making, you know, the little bar set up so they can get all their sauces, condiments, baked beans, potato chips. My boys will be ecstatic. Ecstatic. So, yeah, that's what's for dinner today. Please, thank you for coming to view my video. If you have any suggestions or questions or comments, put it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for viewing my video. Also, if you're new here, hi, hey y'all, please click that like and subscribe button and that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. And also, take time for you. This is 2020. This is when you take time for you and get healthy, and we got to take care of each other also. So keep me updated with you guys' weight loss. As you can see, I've lost 16 pounds so far. Yeah, so I'm really happy about that, and I'm going to keep it going. I'm controlling my portions. I'm drinking plenty of water. I'm eating more vegetables than I am anything else. And I'm increasing my activity. So yeah, that's about it. I love you guys to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. This is Diva the Diva coming at you with my roast beef and turkey sliders. That's what's for dinner, and I hope this helps somebody or give you some ideas on what to cook for your family. Because let's face it, we keep going through the same thing, cooking the same thing. It gets mundane. So this wakens up your family's taste buds and saves you time in the process. All right, I love you guys to life. Be blessed, act blessed, walk blessed, talk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. I know I already said that, but I want to get that point across. 2020, okay? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. I'm out. This is Diva the Diva.